Welcome to the new GIS-NET Public. This is a very brief overview of what we can show you in about 3 minutes. It's a powerful application, so this is just going to touch the surface, but it still should help. Okay, time's wasting, so let's get started. The main things are that I want to touch on here is the layout of everything, where things are at. So here's the main map window. This is where you interact with the map. There's base maps in the bottom left, and you can switch between the various base maps that there are. Aerial imagery is very popular. So you can go back and forth between the base maps and turn things on. You can zoom in and out with the wheel mouse. You can zoom in and out using these on the top left. So that's basically this main map window. There's some scales there as well as you zoom in and zoom out. So you can see, again, some power here in the main map window. The information panel is the next thing to show you. There's a welcome as the first tabbed item here. There's a layer list. Layer list is basically where you're going to be a lot. These are layers that you can turn on and off. If you're looking for a certain layer, you can turn it on here. So you can also interact with layers here. You can get to the metadata. You can re-symbolize a layer here. So there's lots of functionality in what you can do with layers and how you interact. There's this filter icon. There's a panel action menu up here, which is getting through. You can show the legend, so you can switch between that. That's a very powerful piece. The next thing is the I want to menu. This is some frequently used items. So if you accidentally turned off these layers and if you got rid of these that window there, that tab, you can add it back. So that's a way you get it back to it. And the reason that's important too is that when you are looking at properties and looking at information, a new panel might be added that results of something. So this identify results, and now there's parcel results, and so now you're seeing that info here in this window, and we can close it. But if we accidentally close the wrong thing, again, we can get it back. So that's a pretty neat feature there. The next thing I want to show you is the main tools on the top. This is the power of this application. So we're going to show you really quickly. So here's navigation tools that are there. There's a find, so the different ways to query things and filter and just clicking. There's a draw, there's a measure, there's tasks. This is an important one for printing to PDF. There's links to other applications, and then there's help, and we're going to talk about that here in the end. But the other really powerful thing that we have is the search. So in the top right we can search an address, so it starts filling it in. If you had a parcel number, you can put in a 10-digit assessor parcel number, and that'll get to it as well. So again, this is the information about it. So in the search, you can search by address, parcel number, intersection, or geographic coordinates. Again, not going to go through them all, but really everything in this app, how do you use it, what you can do with it, go to this help. There's how-tos. The training video will be here. There's a quick start guide. So these are the things that will help you use this application, probably even more than this video. But with that, if you have questions, send us an email. Our email link is here, and we can help you with what you need. Thank you for watching.